Hello Scratchers, and today we're going to be making a new Scratch project, a Scratch game. Let's get right into it. So first things first, let's come up with the idea of the game. So in my case, the idea is going to be, we're going to be a spaceship, and then there are going to be some aliens coming from here, and then we're going to be in space, basically. Let's do that. We have to shoot them to get rid of them. Let's go to paint first, of course, or actually let's see if there's a space one here. Let's see. Space. Ooh, galaxy. Let's do that. Now, let's choose a character. Ship. Rocket ship. Here we go. That is very good. Let's set the direction to be 180. And then size to be 40. Here. So now let's put in a when flag clicked. And then let's take it to our coordinates. And now we're going to make it set size to 40. Then point in direction 180. Okay, let's see. Voila, everything works. Now let's get rid of this scratch cat. And now let's add another character, which we can call asteroid. Let's see, is there an asteroid or a rock? We can make a rock, maybe, but let's search up asteroid. Wait, I can't search. No asteroid, so rock maybe? Here, we can have some rocks. Let's do one flag clicked. Hide. Set size to 50. Let's do 50. Okay, now let's see. Wait, where has the rock? Oh, it's hide. Yeah, it's gonna hide. Okay, that's great. Now we are gonna put a forever block here. Yeah, forever, and then it's gonna wait. And then it's gonna, actually, let's not hide this. Let's make it glide 1 second. To, as you can see, this will say random position, but we're gonna change that in a second. Actually, let's bring this out. So here, let's change this. It's gonna choose Y, but wait, let's see. Show, maybe. Show here, right now. And then let's put the X. Okay. So let's put the X to be here. So that's 286. Let's see. Let me just bring it in again. So glide 1 second to here. It's gonna keep the X. We're gonna change X to be here. And then what we're gonna do is make it go to X minus 240. Minus 240. And then Y is gonna be random from minus 180 to 180. And then what we're gonna do is make it go to 240, and then it's gonna pick random from 180 to that. And then we're gonna do this. So let's do this. Look at that. What a cool game, right? And then what we're gonna do is we are gonna make it so that we can shoot bullets. So now let's do if then. If touching edge, let's put edge here. If touching edge, it's gonna, well, first things first, actually, it's gonna create a clone. Where's the clone? We're gonna drag in a forever block, then create a clone of myself, and then not forever actually. Yeah, forever if then if mouse down. It's gonna create a clone, and then it's gonna wait for 1 second. Wait for half a second actually, or 0.2 seconds, and then when I start, let's do it when I start as a clone. Then let's put if touching, then delete this clone. Put this in a forever loop. Now I have when I start as a clone. We're gonna make it just go forward. So glide 9 seconds. 2. Actually, it's gonna go 2 first. No, what am I doing? I'm sorry, I accidentally put this into the wrong code. Let's add a new bullet thing. So let's do bullet. Maybe is there a bullet? No. Let's do bread. Should we do bread? Let's make him shoot bread. It's really funny. I just thought of that. Let's make it shoot bread. So we can just duplicate this here. Duplicate it here. Now, when flat clicked, first things first, it's gonna hide. Of course, it's gonna hide. Then it's gonna go to. Instead of random position, we're gonna do go to rocket ship. We're gonna make this duplicate, and we're gonna make it go to rocket ship, and then we're gonna make it show. And then if touching, and then we needed to forever glide 1 seconds to y is gonna be the same. Actually, let's make it forever move 10 steps. Let's do this. Okay, let's actually okay. The clone is not getting cloned, I guess. If mouse done. Let's do if mouse done. Down. Let's do show. Let's see if this works. It does work. So now why doesn't it create a clone of itself? Let's get rid of this hide. Let's press. Yeah, it doesn't create a clone. Let's see. Create a clone of myself. Let's do forever if key depressed. Depressed. Clone and wait 0.2 seconds. Let's see. Clone. Let's do when key depressed. I don't know why this isn't working, to be honest. Let's do when key space pressed. Look at that, it got triggered. And then I'll create a clone of myself. Yeah. Let's see. So it is creating a clone of itself. So when I start as a clone, show. Let's do just forever move 10 steps. Voila! It is working. So this is ruining it. So what we do is let's make a duplicate forever block, and let's put it in when I start as a clone as well. Okay, let's see. Voila, this works. So now as you can see, we can shoot our breads. And now what we actually need to do is, actually first things first, let's make this hide. And now we need to make the player controls. So to make the player controls, what we do is we actually need a forever block, but we need to get rid of these. We don't need these. Forever if, let's duplicate this. Actually, what we can do is instead of two if blocks, we can do else if. So what we can do here is if key W pressed, and then we need a key S pressed, which is right here. S pressed. So when W pressed, we need to make it go up. So change Y by 10, and then change Y by minus 10. Now let's see, this should be pretty simple. It does work. We can fire our breads as well. Firing breads. Okay. Now what we do is we make a new variable called score. All we do is set a score to 0. And then once this finishes, we need to change score by 1. But then what we also need to do is in forever, we need to make a new if block. If touching rocks, then we need to make a new variable as well, lives. Set lives to 4, and then if touching rocks, change lives by -1, and then wait until not touching rocks. Not touching rocks. Let's do that. Now let's get hit by a rock. As you can see, that worked. Our lives are going down, and now we're dead. So now we need to make another if statement. If lives, we need to take out the lives from here, are equal to 0, then we need to broadcast end game. So broadcast end. And then in end, what we can do is go ahead and paint a new sprite. Make it completely black, just like this. And then we need to make a new UI text. So let's undo this, and then let's center this first. Make UI text and call this game over. Let's make this in really bright colors so you can see. Let's make this huge. Game over. Let's make it go to 0, 0. You can do that in a second as well. Game over. And then we can make a new text here saying click flag to restart. Then we can center this. Okay, voila. Let's make it a little bit lower down so that it's better. Click flag to restart. This looks really good. And now what we need to do is write some code for this one. Flag clicked. Make it hide. and we want to make it we need to make it hide and go to 0 0, right? Go to 0 0. Now when I receive when I receive end, what we need to do is show and stop all other scripts. Okay, let's not do that. We can just make it look like this. Okay, that's great. Now let's see if this works. Wait, let me move and let me just get hit by a bunch of rocks. As you can see, this works. We can click the flag to restart. Now the only thing is that we don't get score for some reason. Let's see, it's because we changed my variable by 1. Now let's do this, and as you can see, we get score. Now we need to also, you know what I was planning to do? I was planning to make a variable, and I was gonna say no. Let's not let's not do that. Okay. Now what we need to do is one final thing. We need to go in here into rocks, and then we need to make a new forever block when flag clicked. Forever if touching, so touching, take out touching, bread, and now let's do an if then block here, if touching bread, then delete this clone. No, wait. We need it to, hide. And then in here we need it to show. Here, that works. Okay, so that was it for this tutorial. As you can see, we have made a whole functioning game, and then yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye.